So here we're going to be making some landing pages for affiliate marketing, and the best part, you can actually create them for free. I will leave my link in the description, and if you click that, you can get a free account for Systeme to allow you to create some free landing pages for affiliate marketing, which is always a cool thing, perfect for a beginner. So once you sign up, what you want to do is go to the funnels aspect right here, and we're going to click on create. You can follow with me step by step. So I'm actually going to create two different types of landing pages for affiliate marketing. One's going to allow you to build an audience and of course send traffic to say like a ClickBank link or anywhere else you want. And another one's going to be a pre-sale page. First and foremost, let's do one where we capture an email and then send them off to wherever we want in terms of our offer. All right, so I just called this the landing page for affiliate marketing. If you know your niche or maybe a specific offer, probably just want to title that something related to like Golfland or, something like that, okay? So for this, we're doing build an audience, and from here, let's click on save. All right, let's click on this landing page here. And now what we want to do is find a specific page that we're looking for. So I'm going to click on 30 here just because we have more templates. So as I always talk about when it comes to creating a landing page, this is specifically going to be for lead generation. So what happens is the main goal is once someone clicks on, say, a link and arrives on your landing page, you want to get them to give you their email address. That's the main goal. From there, we can redirect them to any type of offer that you want that's going to be related, and then, we'll go on from there. Something like this is actually perfect. It's minimal, not a whole lot going on there, but I'm going to click next here to go through some more examples for you. Okay, and scrolling down, once again, I'm just looking for something that's going to be similar to what I just showed you there. And actually, something like that's not too bad. Let's keep looking. This is the good thing, though. There's a lot of templates that you can use. So let's see this if you want to use an ebook, but I want even simpler. Next. And scrolling down, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. Something like this where there's not a whole lot going on. We can remove the background. Once again, looks similar here. If you have an ebook to give away, that's a good one. That one's been proven like forever to work. It's been around for a long time, that template. So let's go with something like this. Let's just do a select. And we can always change the path to say like, free video. For this example, what I'm going to be doing is say someone arrives on your page and you're going to be sending them, say, to a ClickBank offer that has a video as a VSL. So the idea is the video is going to showcase something that like they want help with or a big benefit. So I'm going to click on edit right here, or just do like, we can change the name to free video. We're actually not going to need a thank you page here, and this is going to allow us to get up and running much quicker. So I'm going to remove that. Let's go back here, and now we can do edit page. All right, so first and foremost, what I'm going to do is I'm clicking on the background right here, and I'm just going to remove this. We don't need this here. We can always do background color. We can make it like, since we have white there, we can make it like, there we go. So it pops ever so lightly. Okay, cool. What also we can do here, I like getting rid of the name. Anytime you have more fields here to enter, for example, if you had your first name, you had your last name, you had your email, you had your phone, you had your address, you had your pet's name, your goldfish's name, and so on and so forth. The point I'm getting to is the more fields that someone has to enter, the less conversions you're going to get. By having just one right here, it's the least intimidating, and because of that, you're going to get higher conversions. So that's just my quick tip here. Allow me to open up ClickBank. Let's look for an offer that we can promote. All right, so what I did is just go through ClickBank ever so quickly, and I found this one, which is going to be to jumping higher. So the cool thing about this is that they've tested these headlines to convert very well. So what we can do is utilize something that's very similar to this. So if we go back here, I'm just going to copy this right here, and I'm going to move it up. So let's drag it up right there. We can do something like free video reveals. Also just going to move this so it's it's not like touching it perfectly. So and this, there we go. And what we have here is finally the dirty secret behind, finally how to dunk like a total this. I'm just not going to say it in case, YouTube is always demonetizing for random reasons. So there we go. And then of course we can even utilize this here. There we go. And we can probably just move this. What I like doing is when we go to the email section, if we move down here where it has the actual, let's see, where is it? Let me actually, it was up top here. So placeholder, enter your best email. I like putting best because you don't want like a fake email there, right? You want something that's actually pretty good. So if I can go here too, and we can move this, we don't want to move that there. We can probably move it from the top. There we go, just so the spacing's a little bit better. And we can click on this right here. And what we want to do is scroll down here. Click here to get instant access, because they are going to get instant access. And the reason for that, so what we want to do, let's just say this is our affiliate link. I'm just going to copy the URL right here, but what you would do is get your affiliate link in ClickBank. And what you would do here is on submit form, okay, when they click on this, that means they're going to go to a custom URL. And so this is going to be where they get taken to for your affiliate link. So what happens here is they arrive on this, they say, okay, I want to see how to do that. They enter their best email. They click on the button here and they get taken to your affiliate link immediately, just like that. You could probably change around the color too, right? Of this, I'd say there's probably a better color. Let's do something like green for go. Doesn't look too bad. How about red? Like that really pops, okay? Something like that. And you'll notice that this is like very simple, right? There's not a whole lot. Could probably move this up. There we go. Perfect. This looks super simple, super basic. You know what? And that's a good thing. And all the testing I've ever done, some of the simplest landing pages work the best. So allow me just to go back and I'll show you how this works. There is also the ability to connect, obviously, to an email autoresponder. So what happens is they get your emails. What I'm going to do is, well, if you have any questions about that, just simply leave a comment down below. I have plenty of other tutorials that show you how to set up with Systeme a landing page to your emails so that they automatically get them. But let's just open this very quickly. All right, so the person comes here, they have their random email, click here to get instant access. And of course, you can like fix this after. I was just going through. Worrying about the aesthetics isn't that big of a deal as long as you get the idea behind how this is set up. So let's click here. And you'll notice this would be your affiliate link. So that's exactly what happens. And the cool thing about this is that when you use this method, you're pretty much just sending them to the video that they already have where they can learn stuff. And of course, if they want to learn more, that's where they can purchase. Okay, so let's go back. And that's going to be the first landing page for affiliate marketing. Let's do another one. So let's go to funnels. All right, and so next when it comes to a landing page for affiliate marketing, this is going to be a pre-sale page where we're not looking to collect emails. So let's go back to funnels here and click on create. I'm just going to do landing page for affiliate marketing 2. For this one, I'm just going to do a custom where I can build it from scratch and click on save. And let's click on the one we just created. Okay, so since there's nothing here, what we want to do is add step. And for this, I'm just going to call affiliate lander, right? We can always change around the name later. And for this one, I like the thank you pages. Did I pass it? Actually, the sales pages can be pretty good too. Let's check out the sales pages and click on save. Now we can take a look at some of the templates. So I'm going to click on 30 here. And ideally, what I'm looking for is a headline at the top, a video underneath it. And then of course, you know, we can always change around the rest. So I'm going to scroll through and look for that. Okay, we have a video here, not bad. I'm just looking for one that's going to be as close to what I'm going to be doing as it is, just to make my life easier. I find that, there we go, this is it. This is my favorite one right here. So we have preview template. Okay, that's what the video is going to be. It's just not showing, and everything else we can just pretty much remove on the bottom. We don't need all of that. So let's go with this one right here, select. And let's just call this, let's say I was going to be doing a video that's going to be promoting this software right here, Systeme. Okay, so that's going to be like the angle from it, okay? This is going to be the product. So let's click on edit page. I know, using Systeme to promote Systeme, very meta. Let's click on edit page. All right, so first and foremost, what we can do is get rid of like the top part. The idea is that when you have a landing page, you want to have like one main goal and you don't want to have a ton of other things going on. So if you have all of these like margins and you have all these links at the top and so on and so forth, it means there's going to be less chances that someone's going to be clicking through your affiliate link or just watching your video at the same time. So once again, what I'm going to do is just delete all of these sections below what we have here. While you can use them, like I said, I like keeping my landing pages as simple as possible. We have a headline, we have a video, and we have a button. So the button is going to be your affiliate link, and the video is going to help pretty much pre-sell anything that you're going to be talking about. Oops, let's go up there. Okay, maybe a few more, and there we go. So this we can keep down there. This image I don't need, but this is all stuff you can edit easily by adding links to. So this is going to be the headline that we use here. And this is something I did in a previous video. Let me show you this because it's really going to help you out. How to yay without boo. What does this mean? This is one of my favorite headline formulas because it's pretty easy to fill in the blanks. How to big benefit without something that the person does not want to do. So in this example, how to effortlessly create affiliate marketing landing pages without spending $97 per month, without breaking the bank, without being a tech wizard. Okay, how about something like that? How to quickly create affiliate landing pages without breaking the bank. And that's true, right? Because like I talked about, Systeme you can use for free. There is a free plan. You get a limited amount, but I think off the top of my head, it's a few funnels and like quite a few pages with them. So you can certainly get enough that you need to get up and running, okay? And then this can be a little bit extra. Watch the video to see me quickly put together 2 affiliate marketing landing pages, okay? This is going to be the little bit extra. That's what I like to call it. This could be an extra benefit. This could be a reason why they might want to watch it. Another thing could be like, hey, make sure you watch the video to the end because I'm going to show you how you can actually get a discount or a coupon. Anything else that's going to really help them to watch the video, right? Because keep in mind, the main idea here is that this landing page, the main goal is obviously to get them to click this and purchase as an affiliate, right? That's going to be the main thing. So when we have this is going to help do that by helping sell whatever it is we're going to be promoting. So what I'm going to do here, since I have a video, I'm just going to paste this in. And there's going to be my systeme.review. This is a little bit too close for comfort, so I'm just going to give it some space. There we go. Getting a little too needy there. So now what we can do is click on this. What we can do here is go to open URL, and this is going to be www.youraffiliate or my affiliate link, whatever it's going to be. And a little helpful tip here, make sure you open it in a new window, because what's going to happen is people are going to be watching this. If they click on this, it's going to stop it if you do it in the same window. But if you open it in a new one, the video will continue on, and it'll also keep them on the page should they want to watch more. Okay, so aside from that, we can change this around, and you can get started for free. I just like having a call to action, like click here to get started for free. And I think we can do a little bit better on that color. I don't know about you, but red or green, right? Looks decent. And maybe not that one. I think, let's see. Blue kind of matches with my thumbnail, so I'm just going to go with red since it pops so well. All right. And just like that, I know obviously like you're going to need a video here, but if you're as big on YouTube as I am, that's why I like doing landing pages like this, because I can just embed it right here. And the cool thing, like say if you have a YouTube channel and you're monetized, you can also get some, money from watching that as well. So that's going to be that. Let's actually go back and check this one out as well. All right, look at that. And here's another great thing about this. You're going to see everything is above the fold. What that means here is that the main goal is not hidden all the way down at the bottom like by scrolling a ton. It's going to be right there. In fact, I'd probably move this up ever so slightly just so it looks like this and it's better centered. Obviously, it's going to depend on how big or small someone's computer screen is, but overall, this is perfect. And this is one of the biggest reasons why landing pages can be so much better than a website. I want to quickly explain this to you in case you're not familiar with this. On this landing page we talked about many times, we have one goal. It's going to be to click this and obviously hopefully purchase through your link. That's what you do as an affiliate, right? However, there's no other distractions aside from maybe this, right? This comes with the free plan, so if you want to remove it, you can do that. But just think of if this was a website, how many other distractions we have. We have like a banner right here on the right side, right? Click here for this. We have the ability to sign up for a newsletter. We have all these menus and drop downs where it says home and then it says blog post, and you click on it and it goes down and there's more links you can choose from. We have contact and all these other links we can choose from. We have our about page. We have our thank you page. We have our recommended links slate. We have these pop-ups that are showing up everywhere. We have these advertisements for AdSense. There's just so much to click on. And when a buyer is confused, they usually don't buy. So that's one of the biggest reasons for having a landing pages. It's lean, it focuses on one specific goal, which we already know, and it'll help you do that. And the video is pretty much going to be here to help increase the chances of you reaching that goal. Okay, so that's a very quick explanation when it comes to a landing page versus a website. I wanted to throw that in there in case you were curious about why that is, but anyway, that's going to be wrapping it up when it comes to creating some landing pages for affiliate marketing. Use Systeme. Of course, if you want to test out Systeme, the link will be in the description where you can get started with the free plan and do exactly what I showed you as well. If you need help when it comes to setting up your email integrations and your automations with Systeme, let me know in a comment and I will link that video for you so that you can see how it's done. Nevertheless, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will do my best to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.